Hey, what you doing, Pumpkin? What you doing, Pumpkin? Just exercising. Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie. Hey. Oh. Thinking about saying something, huh? Is he happy, Riley?
Mm-hmm.
He seems pretty happy, huh?
Corey, I'm gonna wash my hands so I can touch my baby brother.
Okay, yeah, go for it. Hey, handsome. What are you doing? What are you looking at, huh? Come here and talk to Mommy. Get over here. Come here, baby. Hey, talk to Mama. Say hello. Say hello. That's okay, you'll learn. You'll learn. Do you even know how cute you are? Oh, you're adorable. One way or the other, but look at the camera, buddy. Say hello. Say hi, everybody. All right, that's enough cuteness for now.